Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today I'm going to be sharing with you a thrifted haul. I'm going to start off by sharing this mammoth with you. This is my latest find. It was $8. It came from Goodwill. This is actually going to be part of my summer decor because this part on the top, those are shells. It also has shells here on the handles on the sides, but I plan on using it to put a flower arrangement in. So I think that'll be really pretty sitting on my table next summertime with all of my other coastal and beach decor. If you have watched either one of my two most recent thrift hauls, you will know that I am looking for giant platters. And I found one. This one was $4 and it is ironstone. So I'm very happy to have this, and I'll probably be using this for Thanksgiving. So that's a lot of fun. Another thing that's on my to look for list are vintage refrigerator dishes that are in my price range. I find them all the time. They're $20, $25 and up, and I'm just really not interested in spending that much. Well, I found some. This one was $5 and this one was $8. Honestly, to buy these online, it would cost that much just in shipping. So I say these are a great find and a great buy. They have the vegetable motif on the lids. I've always got my eye on little pitchers to do a display. Well, I usually like stoneware pitchers, but when I saw this little milk glass pitcher, I just thought that that was adorable. So I had to pick it up. It was probably just $1 or $2. The next set of items go together. They're for my son, and they are plastic. He is a sushi fanatic. And the first thing that caught my eye was this little dish. It's in the shape of a boat. I think that that is an eggplant, and I'm sure that it says something, but I don't have a clue what it says. They're made in Taiwan, and I just haven't had time to look them up. It came with 6 little plates and several little bowls. The next item I need your help to identify. When I first saw them, it's a group of 6, and when I first saw them, I thought that they were vintage cut glass from like a child's play set of dishes. But then I started looking at them and I think, well, maybe they're individual salt dishes. So I don't know. What do you think? See, these are just tiny, tiny little cut glass mugs. They didn't come with any saucers or anything else like that, so I'm not sure what they are. If you know what they are, please tell me in the comment section below. I would love to know. I got a set of 6 for $2. I also picked up another glass frog. I found out from another video that that's what these are called. You put them in the bottom of your container for your cut flowers. It'll go in that big urn thing for whenever I do cut flower arrangement next summer. And this vase right here is quite interesting because my mother actually bought me an exact same vase as this. It is real crystal, so it's super heavy. And I just think it's gorgeous, so now I have 2 of them. And all of these are silver plated items. If you've seen my video on polishing silver the easy way with things that you have in your home, you'll have seen that I polished these already. This one is new. Obviously that one hasn't been polished. This little bowl looked about the same as that whenever I picked it up. This I got for $1 and it shined up beautifully. Most of the silverware and utensils were 3 for $1 or 4 for $1. This one right here I did pick up for $1.50, and I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like when it's all polished up. That's going to be beautiful. As well as this fork right here. I love how intricate that design is, and it's going to be beautiful once it's polished. This serving dish right here has a Pyrex dish inside, which I wasn't all that upset about, but I'm sure it did not come with Pyrex to begin with. And then we have just a little creamer here. Here's another creamer that is super heavy, and it actually came with the little dish, although I don't think they are part of the same set. And this little dish has a ladle that goes with it, but apparently I didn't get it out. Look how pretty it is inside, and the outside is terribly tarnished. So that'll be gorgeous once it's polished up. And it's got a very similar rope design on the edging as the little tray. These salad tongs shined up beautifully in that other video. It wasn't terrible to start off with, but they look so much better now. And I couldn't help myself to grab this. I love crystal anyway and cut glass. The last items were a complete freebie. They came in that big urn, container, dish, whatever that is. I don't collect blue and white, but my sister does, so if she wants them, these are going to my sister. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you did like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. If this is a type of content that you like, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted to new uploads. As always, have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.